How to change your location on Xbox Mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to change your location on Xbox Mobile. First thing, go to Xbox and then click here on your profile and then click this one and now click this one, language and location, and now all you need to do is just click here and now select any location you want, like this one, and the location has been changed. And that's how change location on Xbox Mobile. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.